Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome back. Thank you to all my subscribers and my future subscribers. Uh, Today we're going to be making a special treat for our little doggy, the princess. We're making doggy biscuits. So come with me. I'm going to show you the ingredients that I have. I have a half a cup of smooth peanut butter in here, and I have 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of powdered milk, and 2 tablespoons of protein mix. Half a cup of quick cooking oats, and 1 large egg. And we're just gonna mix everything up and then we'll roll it out. So I'm going slow just to incorporate it all in here so it doesn't fly out of the pan. Then we're gonna roll it out, and I have these. I don't have the doggy biscuit shape, but these are good enough. I'll just use these cookie cutters. I have one that looks like a bunny rabbit or something. Okay, it's coming along. Look at that. All I needed was 2 tablespoons of water.
Double.
Where's the little girlie? Okay, I have some extra flour here, which I'm gonna put down. There you go. That looks really good. Look at that. And we have our tray lined with parchment paper, and we're just gonna put these on here like so. Okay, this is I like it. Okay, here's our doggy biscuits, and we're gonna put them in the oven and bake them for an hour, and we'll be back. Okay, our doggy biscuits are ready. So, here. Here's our doggy biscuits. They came out beautiful. Now, all I have to do is put them on a platter, and then I'll present them. Thank you. Okay, so here's my beautiful doggy biscuits that I made for for the Princess Isabella. And I gave her one. She loves them. Look at that. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe.